We are UK Minis and this is Bumblebee, our 200th giveaway competition mini. This is our Z-Cars Honda Civic K20 Vtec 265 brake horsepower with 200 pounds-feet of torque. Z-Cars masterpiece. Finished in volcanic orange, carbon fibre all over this place, CAD, big KAD front brakes, Citroen Saxo rear brakes. This car weighs in at 500 kgs with 265 brake horsepower. That is a recipe for fun. Rear wheel drive, detachable steering wheel, AMI, wiring harnesses, full carbon dash. The bucket seats in this car are absolutely stunning, painted in body matched colour and full black leather interior. This thing is poetry in motion. Don't just take my word from it. Come on in, let's go for a drive. Have a listen to this. There's nothing like this in the world. This is the best car we've ever given away. It's our 200th giveaway competition mini. It's called Bumblebee and it is total and utter perfection. Just absolutely wild. Time to cool down. Head over to www.ukminis.co.uk to get in the mix for this absolutely insane mini. Peace out.